the only task manager that follows up for you accounts. Meet FollowUP, powered by AI.
This procedure outlines the steps to attach files within tasks using the Trueaiwork platform. It ensures consistent documentation and sharing of relevant attachments for task management. Click the Your Task section to begin the attachment process. Click Add Files to start the process of uploading attachments to the task. Enter the file path to upload the desired attachment to the task. Click All Tasks to navigate back to the main task overview after attaching files. This procedure details attaching files to tasks within Trueaiwork, ensuring proper documentation and sharing of relevant attachments for effective task management.